In today's video, I'm going to teach you here's how to get ChatGPT to recommend your business. We'll turn a simple prompt into a clear, convincing recommendation you can use across your website, social posts, listings, and outreach. Follow along and feel free to pause and copy these lines as you go. Start by describing your business clearly. Give ChatGPT the essentials it needs to sound confident and accurate. Include what you do, who you serve, where you operate, your price point or positioning, what makes you different, and any proof points like years in business or notable results. A simple starter works well. We're a business type in location, serving target audience. We specialize in services products known for differentiator, and our typical price range is range. The more specific you are, the more natural the recommendation will sound. Next, ask for the exact type of recommendation you want. Be explicit about the format and where it will appear. For example, write a short third-person recommendation I can use on a local directory, or create a first-person recommendation I can paste into a social post, or draft a concierge-style blurb a hotel might share with guests. When ChatGPT knows the destination, it naturally shapes the message for that context. Then set the style and tone. Tell it how you want to come across and how long the recommendation should be. Try something like, make it friendly and trustworthy, 80 to 120 words, plain language, no jargon, or professional and concise, suitable for a corporate audience. You can also specify perspective, first person if it's your voice, third person if it's written about you. After that, add special details if needed. This is where you include certifications, awards, guarantees, service areas, hours, seasonal offers, or accessibility notes. You might say, mention our same-day service in areas, our satisfaction guarantee, and that we're certified in relevant credential. Avoid superlatives we can't substantiate. These details help the recommendation stand out without sounding exaggerated. Finally, ask ChatGPT to personalize it. Provide the audience and context so it can tailor the message. For example, personalize this for a busy parent looking for convenience, or adapt it for a traveler asking a hotel concierge, or rewrite for a budget-conscious student. You can even request versions for different channels. Give me a website meta description version and a short social caption. If the first draft isn't quite right, ask for tweaks, more benefit-driven, slightly warmer tone, or include a gentle call to action. That's it. With a clear description, a defined format, a chosen tone, your key details, and smart personalization, you'll get a recommendation that feels authentic, useful, and ready to publish.